In this video, I will show you how to add captions and subtitles using Gling AI. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. You are going to upload the file that you would like to add subtitles to. You will then edit with AI. Once you have selected your video spoken language, select Continue. And you will see a couple of options that you can use to enhance your video. If you look on the bottom left, you will see Auto Captions. Make sure that is selected and simply select Enhance and Edit. Gling AI will now use AI to add captions and subtitles to your video. It has finished adding the subtitles, so if I play the video.
So we have just made it to the Smelly Cat Cafe, and Mrs. over here is so over the moon.
We will see that captions and subtitles have been added to my video. If I am happy with this, I can then select Export in the top right corner and export my video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.